So here is the dried result of today's painting. I'm cleaning up my studio and I found one craft PVA glue, and I just thought I will just play with it a little bit. And as you saw, I got quite a lot of reaction without any additives. The white itself created some reaction, and probably the metallics that I have in there. And I really like the composition of this one. I'm not a fan. I had a little bit of those, because there was a lot of air bubbles, what happens with the glue, at least when I use it. So yeah, but I really like the final result. I really do. It's a pretty landscape. Again, it's a flower or a landscape with me normally. So yeah, this was just a little experiment with that glue. I like the results. I had to probably mix it the day before because of the pinholes or whatever. There is not a lot, but still, sometimes just bothers me. But anyway, I'm really pleased with the final result. So you will see more of those, probably just experimenting with some pouring mediums or additives that I have in my studio and have to use them up because I have a lot of them. So yeah, don't be afraid just to mix your paints with some new glue or pouring medium that you get your hands on, because you never know, maybe something beautiful can happen. So this is it for today. Have a nice day and see you again on the next one. Bye.